Alright everyone, so let's go ahead and get started on the word problem. From this word problem we're going to take out our two linear inequalities and make a system of it. Okay, so let's just get started. Jamal runs the bouncy house at a festival. The bouncy house can hold a maximum of 1,200 pounds. So that already sounds important. 1,200 pounds. At one time. He estimates that adults weigh approximately 200 pounds and children under 16 weigh approximately 100 pounds. For one 4-minute session of bounce time, Jamal charges adults $3 and children $2 each. Jamal hopes to charge at least $24 for each session. So the key words when you're doing inequalities are at least. That means at least, at minimum. Like you at least want to make $100 this week. So that's the minimum. If you make more, that's great. But if you make less, then that's unacceptable. And then for bouncy house can hold a maximum. Okay, those are like for your inequalities. So let's just start and breaking it down piece by piece. So let's make x equal the number of adults. And let's make y equal the number of children. Now you ask, well, why did I choose adults to be x and y to be the number of children? Now, let me see here. I did it primarily because, and I know I talked about this in another video, is adults came first. Children came second. Adults came first. Children came second. So for that reason, that's why I picked x is the number of adults, y is the number of children. In theory, yes, you can do it the other way, but you have to specify what x and y are. Because if not, someone might put y equals the number of adults. You know what I mean? So you have to be specific right here on what is what. So this is an important part of the problem. You have to clarify that. If not, no one's gonna know. So now let's go ahead and put the system of linear inequalities together. Sorry, a little mumbly. So the first one here, let's see. We know, let's look at the this information. Okay. Adults weigh approximately 200 pounds. So let's go ahead and do 200. That's 200 pounds times the number of adults. Plus, how much do the kids weigh? 16 and under, approximately 100 pounds. So let's do plus 16y. And that's going to be, oops, I did that wrong, I'm sorry. It's not 16y, that's the age. 100 pounds. 100y. And that has to be, the maximum amount of weight is 1,200 pounds. So we know that's 1,200 over here. The maximum. So it can't go past 1,200 pounds. So it's going to be less than. So what it's saying is that the weight of the adults plus the weight of the children, weight of the adults plus the weight of the children, has to be less than or equal to 1,200 pounds. Okay? Let me just erase those marks. Alright, now we have the how much he charges. Well, how much he charges. So it says Jamal charges adults $3 each and children $2 each. So X is the number of adults. So $3 per adult plus $2 per child. And he hopes to make at least $24 each session. At least. So we're going to put $24 here. At least would be greater than or equal to. Now, why is the sign different? Because $3 times every single adult. So there's one adult, 3 times 1. 2 adults, 3 times 2. 5 adults, 3 times 5. Plus the number of children. So here he wants it to be greater than or equal to $24 each session. So that's why this here has to be greater than 24 because he wants to make at least that much. If I tell you you have to pick at least 5 oranges, then what's the minimum amount of oranges that you need to pick? 5. But you can pick more, but you need to have at least 5. And that's what this says when you're reading the question. At least 24 for each session. That's greater than equal to. Okay? Erase this. So, do we have a system of linear inequalities that represents the scenario? What would you say? Yes or no? We do. We defined our variables here. And remember, a system of linear inequalities, well, a linear inequality are these here. We already got those. And a system of linear inequalities is more than one. And I didn't put the instructions on the video, but this particular problem, that's all it's asking you for. It's asking you to define the variables and to give a system of linear inequalities. Okay? And that's it. Once you get good at this, then we start solving the system, and we've done this before. Alright, thank you very much.